Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this interactive slide in Figma. So without further ado, let's get straight to it. First of all, get your images ready. You can choose to arrange them whatever way you like, but I arranged mine this way because it's the easiest way for me to know the size of the large image and the smaller image. So now you want to select all the images and move to the right panel and click on the auto layout option. So what just happened is that we just framed all the images. Now all the images are in a single frame. So now click on the frame, right click on the frame and click on the frame selection option. So it means the first frame has all the images, right? Now the other frame now has the frame that has all the images. I hope that is clear enough. Mind you, the sole purpose of the second frame is for smooth movement because we're going to be moving the images one after the other. So now click on the frame, select the frame and drag it to the end of the first two images. Yeah, make sure it is well done. Exactly. Okay, so now move to the right panel and click on clip content. The clip content hides all the other images. Now duplicate the first frame. Now click on the frame that has the images, the first frame that has all the images. Click on it and start moving the images out one after the other. Move out the first image. Now what you want to do next is to check the size, the width of the larger frame. The width is 647. Yeah, that's correct. And the height is 512. That's good. So the next thing to do is to change the width and the height of the second image, but we'll make it smaller. The width is 314 while the height is 419. Perfect. Now it looks like the first frame, right? Now arrange it well. Make sure it is the exact size of the frame. Okay, now we're done with this frame. Duplicate again. Duplicate again. Now click on that frame that has all the images again. Click on it, yes. Move it again, move it out. Move this large image out. Just like this. Yes. So now you increase the width and the height again. The other time we checked, the height was around 647, right? The width was around 647, right? And the height was 512. Yes. Now let's make sure it fits the frame. If the images are not well arranged in the frame, you might not get what you want. So make sure it fits the images fits the frame. Now we're done. Duplicate again. So this is how you're going to be doing everything till you're done with all the images. So now that we're done arranging all the images, the next thing to do is to select all the frames. Let's do that really quick. So after arranging all the frames, now look to the top. You see an icon that has a drop down arrow there by the side. Yes, click on that drop down arrow and select create component set. Okay, now the next thing to do is to switch to prototype. This is the part where we start connecting all the frames together. Now connect the first frame to the other frame, set it to after delay. After delay, yes, 800 milliseconds, and smart animate. Then is out, no, not is out, custom spring, set it to custom spring. So now let's change the time to 2400 milliseconds. 2400 milliseconds looking. So now connect the second frame to the third frame and set it to after delay. After delay, yes. Then the third one to the fourth frame after delay again. So that's how we're going to be doing everything. Okay, now I've gotten to the last frame. Click on the rat frame and connect it to the first frame again. Let's connect it to the first frame, and now this time I'm going to be setting it to after delay instant, because we want it to, when it gets to the last frame, we want it to move back to the first frame again. So it's going to be instant. Yeah, so we're done. So now right click, copy, and move to your hero section, to the main frame. Now right click again, then paste to replace. Now let's see what we've done. So this is the outcome. This is what it looks like. So thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.